In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Conversion API for Facebook Pixel on WordPress step by step. This setup is essential in 2026 because browser tracking alone is no longer reliable. With ad blockers, iOS privacy updates, and cookie limitations, you need server-side tracking to make sure your events are recorded accurately. By the end of this video, your Metapixel will be sending data through both the browser and the server using the Conversion API. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical WordPress and digital marketing guides. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is generate your Meta Access token. Go to your Meta Events Manager. Once you're inside Events Manager, select the pixel you want to connect to your WordPress website. After selecting your pixel, click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Conversions API. In that section, you'll see an option that says Generate Access Token. Click on Generate Access Token. Meta will instantly create a long string of letters and numbers. This is your access token. Click to copy that entire string and paste it temporarily into a notepad or text document because we'll need it in the next step. Now that you have your access token, the next step is to install the plugin on your WordPress website. For this tutorial, we're using PixelYourSite because it's one of the most reliable plugins for Conversion API integration in 2026. Log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to Plugins and then click Add New. In the search bar, type PixelYourSite. When you see the plugin appear in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, you'll notice a new PixelYourSite menu item in your WordPress sidebar. Click on that to open the plugin settings. Inside the PixelYourSite dashboard, you'll see fields where you can paste your keys. First, locate your Pixel ID from Meta Events Manager and paste it into the Pixel ID field. Then find the section labeled Conversions API or CAPI. In the API token box, paste the long access token you generated earlier. Make sure you carefully paste the entire string without any extra spaces. Below that, ensure the option that says Send Events via Conversion API is checked. This is what enables server-side tracking. Once everything is filled in correctly, scroll down and click Save Settings. Your WordPress site is now configured to send events both through the browser pixel and directly from your server using the Conversion API. Now we need to verify that everything is working correctly. Go back to Meta Events Manager and click on the Test Events tab. This is where you can confirm whether your events are being received properly. With the Test Events tab open your website in a new browser tab. Navigate through a few pages on your site. Click around, visit different posts or products, and trigger some activity. Then go back to the Test Events window in Events Manager. You should start seeing events appearing in real time. The most important column to check is the Receiving From column. It should say Browser/Server. If you see both browser and server listed, that means your Conversion API setup is successful, and your tracking is now more accurate and reliable. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Conversion API for Facebook Pixel on WordPress. This setup will improve your tracking accuracy, help optimize your ad campaigns, and protect your data against browser restrictions. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.